Check out this 2010 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.